short hair look? Looking for a new hairstyle? Solution is simple. Easy clip-on velvet hair extension. With clip-on hair extensions made of 100% human hair. We use silicone cover clips so that it stays on once you clip it on. You get a set of 10 pieces inch velvet hair extension and comb it gently to remove any tangles. The 6-inch extension will have 3 clips. Separate the layer of hair 2 inches above the neck where your hair ends. Tie the hair on top of your head with a clutcher. Place the 6-inch velvet hair extension on the middle of your head near the neck. Start from the middle clip. It's time to use 8-inch velvet. Secure the center clips before the corners.